What's going on, guys? Sean here. Welcome to another video. Today is Friday, tomorrow's Saturday, and tomorrow we are doing my very first Friendsgiving. When I say mine, I mean mine and my friends' very first Friendsgiving, and I'm super excited. So Lily and I are going to go to the grocery store, pick up some stuff, and we're going to make some chili for Friendsgiving, and it's going to be good.
Nerf this!
Hello?
Hey, what's up? I'm waiting for you to get home. Are we gonna go to the store and get the stuff for the chili?
Yeah.
Yeah, we are. I'm excited. Are you excited?
Yeah, I'm excited.
Yeah, me too. How long before you get home?
Wow. Like,
20 minutes.
yeah.
She's getting her hair ready to get the chili made for Friendsgiving.
Is it like raining right now?
Some ASMR for the viewers out there. Some cooking inspiration and tingling feelings.
I'm gonna get a little messy.
Huh?
I'm gonna get a little messy. Here, while you're doing that ASMR, how about you drain the beans?
Boss is angry, gotta go. So we got reinforcements because this pot just ain't gonna do for 23 people, so we had to upgrade. Lily called in the heavy artillery.
Yeah. Butter in there.
That's freaking like a third of the size of that thing. So we downgraded one size pot. We found a smaller pot that is just like the perfect fit.
Need salt.
So we're on like Donkey Kong. This is the dance she's doing because we're done cooking. We're about to go to bed upstairs and chillax and get ready for, I wanted to say Friendsgiving. Why? I don't know. But Friendsgiving tomorrow. So we'll see you guys mañana. Yeah. All right. The morning of Friendsgiving. The shwee and the shwee. I can't see anything. I gotta put my eyes in. Alright, much better. I can actually see things now. I need to get some coffee. I'm gonna have some espresso from the espresso maker, and I'm gonna get some water. That's what I need first. Hydration is key, especially on a day like today where we're going to be consuming our entire body weight in food most likely and massive amounts of adult beverages. Alright, so Lily's getting ready. I am gonna go to the gym real quick, get a workout in, catch up with you guys after that. I'm just dragging right now. And I already have my coffee, what the hell? Alright, so we're all showered and changed up. We're just gonna finish getting everything ready. We're gonna go pick some beverages up and grab some stuff before we head over to Zach's. That's where we're headed right now. So let's get moving. Oh my god. I almost forgot, you guys. Let's go. What's up, guys? Welcome back. Friendsgiving was a success, but feel me, it was a bust. Just left the camera in the car. A lot of people there. I was a little skittish to film in front of people. There's people I didn't know there too. So I just didn't get outside my comfort zone, and that's just me being straight up with you, honestly. Bitched out. Gotta own it. It was a lot of fun. We ended up sleeping there. Obviously had a ton of good food. Drinks were flowing, so it was probably a good thing I didn't film. Woke up, helped our friends Zach and Maggie, those were the hosts of Friendsgiving, helped them clean up a little bit. Went and stopped at Dunkin' Donuts on the way home, and every now and again there's like something that helps you restore your faith in humanity, and that happened today. It was just a small gesture. It wasn't anything huge. The guy in front of us paid for our order, which again isn't, a massive amount of money, but still the thought of just doing that, whether it be $20 or $2, goes a long way. So super grateful for that gentleman who did that, and I ended up paying for the person behind me, so hopefully the person behind me paid it forward as well. But just got my brain churning a little bit, and when acts of kindness happen, it's like a chain reaction. It's like a compound effect. For example, he set forward an emotion, by just paying for that order, for me to pay for the other customer's order, and hopefully that kept on going along. But I guess what I'm really trying to say is be that person that stores someone else's faith in humanity. And it doesn't have to be spending an inordinate amount of money. Like, my dog's dying right now.
Is the mic on?
Yeah.
Okay.
But you want to be the person that restores other people's faith in humanity. Be the type of person that gives others hope in this world. I guess that's the point I wanted to say, wrapping up this video. So if you did enjoy it, obviously give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Signing off.